Hi guys, welcome to DMT. Welcome to this short compilation video of clips that I've captured on my GoPro camera whilst I've been riding my motorbike over the last few years. I've come back into the world of motorcycling, and just within that short space of time, the last few years, I've captured some strange things, and not just the normal routine things that we have to sort of look out for, like car drivers, commercial traffic, cyclists and other motorbikes. It's the unpredictability of animals, I think, which is the worst thing. But I've had some strange things come out in front of me, and a metal chair in the road on one occasion. Really bizarre. I'm sure you've had some experiences on your motorbike as well. Drop a comment in the comment section down below. What's the strangest thing you've had to come across? And here's my little montage of some of the strangest things that I've come across. Something about water, isn't there? Beautiful. Something about it. Don't know what it is. Even the cow's taking a dip in the water there, look. They're coming through a little puddle. So we're on the way to Caffeine and Machine near Stratford. There's 3 of them apparently. The fenlands contains peat, and the peat's sinking into the ground, and as the mean sea level is actually higher than the land mass of Cambridgeshire, being the lowest land mass in the UK. The ground is sinking and the sea level's rising, so there's more and more floods coming in. I mean, that looks quite shallow.
It's shallow here, but when you go further in, it sort of like zigzags around.
Yeah.
When you get to the next end a bit further over there, that'll be nearly. I bet I'll be up here on your motorbike about here.
Would it?
Won't be far. You'll go through you go. Maybe about here.
What do I do? Do I go through that? Like that gentleman says there, he says it's worse around the corner. You can see all the fields are flooded, look, and the ducks are going across the road, so let's go very slowly through here. Yeah, I think it's going to be sensible to turn around and go back. If a motorcyclist began an overtake into those chevrons and hit that, then it's certainly going to be off the bike. Pull up the bike there, that's safe there, and I'm just going to walk across the road. Look at that. Yeah, metal chair, look. Imagine hitting that in the road. Let's get going again. Good deed done for the day. Oh, all that soap. What the hell? It's like ice. Oh my god. Where does it come from? So I've ridden in some road conditions, but I've never ridden in soap suds like this in Cologne. see him coming across. After you, sir. Here's a tip, guys. If you see a car in the middle of the road with its hazards on, which I did back there, I thought he had a problem. And then round the next corner, I got a herd of sheep. So, take that as a warning. Morning, Sean. Bless. Get that bottle. Hiya, thank you. So I'm not going to go around these bends, there's just no room for me to get past, so let's go for it. Take a wide berth. Like an archway, isn't it? I'm actually riding over apples that are falling from the tree. Yeah, you can imagine if that river's high, then you'd have to consider going over that bridge on a little river crossing. Got geese now. Hello, geesey. There's Gordon the geese. Nearly the first pheasant of 2024 I took out there. And to be honest, I've not really hit that many creatures or animals. They've usually just scuttled across the road and I've avoided hitting them, just swerved maybe. Nearly had a couple of pigeons hit the helmet. But anyway, moving on, the last and final animal that I encountered was lots of goats, and this is quite a funny story because it was on the Gran Canaria Island when I was ascending up a mountain, and the reason I was going up the side of this mountain was because I think it was the GC 210, the Need for Speed road, was closed, so I had to take this diversion. And the funny thing about it, there was this little mini hatchback behind me with an elderly couple in it, and I joked it was Fernando Alonso's dad or Fernando Alonso. But he just seemed intent on catching me up, and at the top of this mountain was all of a sudden there was like a goat shepherd, and all these goats appeared from the middle of nowhere. But yeah, so we'll finish off on that. And I just wanted to mention, I've just put a post on in relation to the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, which I'm participating in again. I did it last year, raised £263. If anybody donated, thank you very much. I'll put a link again, I'll put the link in the description below in this video, and also on my Facebook page. So I've had the official letter confirming that I'm taking part. I made a donation myself, The Distinguished Gentleman's Ride is in partnership with Movember, and they raise money for lots of causes. The two big ones, men's mental health and prostate cancer research. But yes, if you make a small donation, that'd be really appreciated. Okay, let's get on with the goats, and thanks for watching, guys.
Oh, stops here. That means I have to go left then, 606. Maybe they've had some falling of rocks then. So this is as far as I go on the 210. Okay, look at the gradients on this. Wow, this is a bit like the hard knot, this is. That was really steep, that was. I've got to keep the momentum up. You go wide here, hope there's nothing coming. Wow. Come on, little goaties. Give them a bit of a blast. Just sound nice when you open it up, the multi-strider.